Hello, my friends, and welcome to another enthralling chapter of Sizzling Stories. Today, we're going to uncover the sizzle and snap behind one of the most essential kitchen tools, the frying pan. I'll try to spin you a tale that'll make you appreciate that trusty piece of cookware like never before. Picture this. It's a scorching summer's day in ancient Mesopotamia, around 2000 BC. You're in the bustling marketplace, the air heavy with the scent of spices and the babble of merchants haggling over grains and goods. In the heart of it all, a clever tinkerer is about to make history. Our hero, let's call him Aleph Frymaster, a fitting name, don't you think, was renowned for his ability to turn ordinary ingredients into extraordinary dishes. Aleph had already perfected the art of roasting meat over open flames, but he yearned for something more. Something that would let him sear, saute, and fry to his heart's content. One fateful day, as Aleph was busy crafting his latest culinary masterpiece over an open flame, inspiration struck like a bolt of lightning, minus the actual lightning, of course. He looked at his trusty flat stone slab, which he usually used for roasting, and thought, what if I could create a portable, shallow vessel that can heat up evenly and let me cook in a variety of ways? And so, the quest for the perfect cooking vessel began. Aleph wandered through the marketplace, rummaging through various materials. Bronze? No. Too heavy. Clay? Too brittle. Wood? Too prone to catching fire. Aleph was in quite the pickle until he stumbled upon a solution that seemed to be pulled straight from the culinary gods themselves. A magnificent piece of iron ore. Iron, unlike its less sturdy companions, was tough, durable, and could withstand the searing heat Aleph desired. With newfound enthusiasm, he set to work. Aleph's innovation didn't stop at the material. He crafted a shallow, flat-bottomed vessel with raised sides, resembling the frying pans we know and love today. When Aleph tested his invention over an open flame, he was met with a sizzle and snap that would change the culinary world forever. The pan heated evenly, allowing him to sear meat, saute vegetables, and fry just about anything to golden perfection. He had unwittingly birthed the first ever frying pan, and he couldn't have been more proud. Word of Aleph's invention spread like wildfire, and soon, every kitchen in Mesopotamia boasted its own trusty frying pan. The sizzle and snap of food hitting the hot surface became a soundtrack for countless kitchens throughout the ages. Now, you may be wondering how the frying pan found its way to your kitchen today. Well, that's a journey filled with twists, turns, and technological marvels. But it all began with the ingenuity of Aleph Frymaster and his quest for culinary perfection on that hot Mesopotamian day. So, the next time you flip a pancake, sear a steak, or whip up a batch of sizzling bacon, remember the sizzle and snap of history that brought that frying pan into your hands. Aleph Frymaster's invention has truly stood the test of time, making him a legendary figure in the pantheon of culinary creators. And there you have it, my dear friends, the sizzling, entertaining tale of the frying pan's invention. Now go forth, cook up a storm, and celebrate the sizzle that echoes through the ages.